Hey y'all, it's Mary, and welcome to part 2 of my mega drop shop. I didn't know I was going to do part 2 until I got almost done with part 1. So I ordered a mystery glam bag that I'll put the video below. Paid $10 for this with 5 items, 5 deluxe sample items in it. Usually they're $14 when you buy them, when they're on sale. When they put them in the drop shops, they're usually $16, but they had 4 or 5, maybe even 6 that were about $10 a piece. And they had different levels. They had some $10, they had some $14 bags, and I just chose one this time around. And then I also got a larger bag, a Boxycharm by Ipsy style bag that used to be called the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Those are usually $30. You pay for that and $1.99 for the handling. I paid $28 for this bag, and this is it here. They don't have it in the bag. They don't have any information about it. They just put it in this big plastic bag. And I did cut that open to get it started. But my other video was getting too long, so I decided to do a separate video. This is the bag, and look at that glitter going on, y'all. This is, hello Camille, I'm showing the bag, Camille. This is really pretty. This is called the Season of Sparkle Mystery Bag. It's supposed to have $147 value. And I'm sure, based on the name in this, that it's from Christmas time, or maybe even New Year's, maybe. But let's see what it looks like. It's hard. It's a hard material. Camille. It's nice. It has a flat bottom to it. It has all this glitter on it. Some of it is coming off. Not much. Camille, move on, love. There it is. It has a black lining, which is very nice. Looking to see if there, oh, it says Ipsy on the pull tag. Oh, that's cute. A gold Ipsy. And it has this handle, which is nice. So it closes nice and easy, which is nice. So, you know, you could use this for an evening bag. This would have been really nice to use on New Year's Eve. This is gold pleather, and you know, you could hold it like this, take it for the evening out. Christmas Eve, New Year's Eve, very pretty night on the town. It's really pretty. It is, what I'm seeing is gold glitter. And what I see in the camera is all kinds of colors, because I think it's picking up all the colors around us. So it's very pretty. There's the back of it. And that, I'll tell you, that zipper is so nice and easy. That's not always the case with zippers, you know, and then it has that black lining. So that is very pretty. And then we have 5 full-size items inside. We're supposed to have 5 full-size items inside. All right, so in my bag, it did say, if you click on these bags, they give you some little description. And it said that I would have, you know, it says like what could be in your bag, Violet Boss and Lice, LYS Beauty. So I do have something from LYS Beauty. Not sure, is it Lice? I'm not sure how you say it. It says Think Deep. This packaging is cool. It's got little holes in it. I have had products from this brand before, but not this one. What is it? It says it is a detox mask. Okay, a pore minimizing detox mask with pomegranate and charcoal. So this whole bag has a value of $147. I'm not sure how much this product cost. Oh, isn't, you know, they're all of, I don't know of all of, but a lot of their things have these triangles on it. So look at how cute this is, okay? It's a tube, and then it has this triangular cap to it. Isn't that cute? And this would be not for me. It has a nice seal. I can't smell it. This, you know, honestly, the way that this plastic is made like that, I think that might be easy. Since it's triangled off, it might be easy to squeeze all that out. This is filled to the top. So a detox mask, it sounds like it's for oily skin or for problem skin. Say goodbye to clogged pores. Revitalize your skin with the ultimate detox mask infused. Well, then it tells you about the ingredients and all. So this is probably not a product that I would use. So, but very nice. It's a, you know, these are all full-size products. Now I see, I see something, you know, this they, as for full size, they're sending me one brush. And this is a, oh, it just went out of my head. There it is. The Miss Glam, a Miss Glam, SL Miss Glam, I'm sorry. This is a powder. It doesn't, if it says RO3. What distinguishes her brushes is there's always two rhinestones here, and these are diamond looking. And this is beautiful. It's a pink lucite, and it's like, you know, it's like, oh, what's the pink stone called? Quartz, like pink quartz. That's what it looks like. It says it is a powder, yeah, I don't know, any powder that I would use. It's very, it's not dense enough for me. That's what I'm trying to say. It's a beautiful brush, and I've touched it all over, so I will be keeping it. I like her brushes. They're just pretty. They're just pretty to have, whether you use them or not. Okay. All right, and then I'm seeing this is from Sweet Street. This is Candy Paint. It's a shimmer lip gloss. So I'm not all that familiar with this. This is in the color Comet. Let's see what, this packaging is pretty. It's got clouds all over it. It's hard to open. What else is new? Let me see if I can get it open and show you. Oh, that is very pretty. Very pretty. Whoops, it's twisted. I'm not going to open it, but it's twisted a little bit beyond its where it should be. There's their little emblem on there, and it says Sweet Street. It's very beautiful. I don't know that if you can see, oh, maybe you can see the glitter in there. Hey, Blue. It's very, very pretty. And it is Candy Paint Shimmer Lip Gloss, okay? It is just what it says it is. And Comet is the color. So very pretty packaging with the gold here. And the shimmer is so pretty gold. I have a lot of lip glosses opened, and I don't need another one open, so I'm not going to open this one. It's really pretty. A really nice neutrally kind of color that I think a lot of people can wear. And that gold is spectacular in there. Very, very pretty. So next we have, this is a little disappointing to me, y'all. This is from the brand Ccus Pocus, which I see a lot in the Mega Drop Shop. A lot. These are scrunchies. Now, a lot of people would be very happy with these, but you know, I don't have any hair to put in a scrunchie, so this will go in a giveaway or a gift or something. So there's 3 scrunchies, and there's black and white and gray. And they're nice. They're nice. You know, these are nice. I think you can wash this. It's like a nylon. And Ccus Pocus. I'm sure if you're in the drop shop, you've seen this brand name. So that is in there. And then we have our Violet Voss. We have a palette, Whispering Rosé, and Luminous. Oh, it's a blush. I thought it was an eyeshadow palette, but it's a blush. Okay, let's see what it looks like. I don't know that I've ever had a blush from Violet Voss, y'all. I've had eyeshadows, and I do like her eyeshadows. In fact, that's why I'm wearing some. And I didn't plan that at all. Oh, this is very beautiful. There's a mirror on one side, and then it has 4 shades. Very pretty. So you've got, you know, you can do a little contouring and blushing with that. That's really pretty. I didn't know that she had blushes. Well, she does. Very beautiful. Whispering Rosé. So, you know, probably this is maybe, I don't know, it says that it's $147 value. I'm not going to guess on the pricing of things because I have no idea. But I love the bag. The bag is really pretty for the holidays. And then we got the Sweet Street, very beautiful lippy. We got the gorgeous palette, which I put back in the box. And we got the Detox Treatment from Lies. And what else did we get? I've already, the bag, that's one, 2, 3. Oh, and the I already forgot since it doesn't mean anything to me. The hair scrunchies. So that's what I got and paid $28. And usually when the mystery bags come out, they're $30, and then you pay that $1.99 handling. And I think some of the newer mystery bags now are $32, I think. So it was nice to see that $28. Again, they had several different ones to choose from. They had different pricing. Some more expensive, you know, some 30, some maybe, I don't even know if there were any 32s, but I chose this one because it was $28 and I like the bag. You know, they'll show you the bag, and some of them, they're not as big of a choice on the full size, but on the glam bag, they'll, you know, I want to say there were 5 or 6 that were $10-ish. There were also some that were $14. There may have even been some that were $12. They had this as a double set. They had 2 of these, $55 for the 2 together, which was a sale. But I believe it was 2 of the same bags. So you have a girlfriend that you want to share with, that'd be great. But the Mega Drop Shop is the best time to buy those if you don't need them when they first come out, or if you missed it when it first came out, or if you got the October bag and you loved it and you want to get it again, and you would get different products in there, you know, probably than what you originally got. So it's fun. The Mega Drop Shop is fun. But, you know, prices have gone up. That's just the way life is. Prices have gone up everywhere. Oh, and I forgot, I got this as well. This very beautiful brush, which I'm not sure what I'll use that for. Maybe highlight or something. Actually, I used a brush like this for my highlight that I did put on earlier, my highlighter. So, y'all, I do, you know, I am not one of those people that collect brushes. Yeah, maybe a little, but I get a lot of brushes, and I give a lot of them away. I don't save 100 brushes. I don't think I have that many. But y'all, thanks for stopping by and seeing what I got from the Mega Drop Shop. And go see part 1 if you haven't seen it. And y'all take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye.